Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, power down your Asus UX425 and disconnect the charger. Flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom panel. Keep the screws in a safe place since you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam of the bottom panel. Carefully pry open the panel, taking care not to damage any clips. With the bottom panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean out any dust inside. Use compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and vents. Now, locate the battery, which is typically secured with additional screws. Remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. This may require a bit of wiggling, so be gentle to avoid damaging the connector. Next, lift the old battery out of the compartment. Before installing the new battery, ensure that the battery connectors are clean. Position the new battery into the compartment and reconnect it to the motherboard. Make sure it's seated properly before tightening the screws. If you don't have the tools or the time to do this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation in pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of transportation, as we provide no calls, no travel. After securing the new battery, carefully replace the bottom panel. Align it correctly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. Finally, flip the laptop back over, plug in the charger, and power it on. Check that the battery is recognized in the operating system. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. Your Asus UX425 should now have a fresh battery, ready to provide reliable performance. Thank you for following this guide. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.